In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your website with HostGator from start to finish, so you can bring your online presence to life effortlessly. We'll take you through every step, from purchasing a hosting plan to making sure your website is live for the world to see. Let's start by choosing your HostGator hosting plan. Head over to HostGator's website and you'll notice they offer several options suited for different needs, whether it's for a small blog or a business website. Take your time to review them, keeping in mind the resources and support you might need as your site grows. Once you've selected the right plan, go ahead with the purchase, and make sure to save your account information in a safe place for easy access later. Next, it's time to register or transfer your domain to your HostGator account. If you already own a domain with another registrar, no worries, you can transfer it over. Simply follow the prompts on the HostGator site for domain registration or transfer, ensuring you provide accurate information to avoid any hiccups down the line. Now that you've got your hosting and domain squared away, it's time to log into HostGator's cPanel. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Use the login credentials that were sent to you, and if necessary, reset the password for security purposes. Once inside cPanel, you'll have a suite of tools at your fingertips to manage your website. The next step involves uploading your website files to the public HTML directory. This is where all the files that make up your website will live. Using either cPanel's built-in file manager or an FTP client like FileZilla, upload your files to this directory. Make sure your files are organized and double-check that you have all the necessary ones to ensure everything runs smoothly. If your site uses databases, you'll need to set them up as well. In cPanel, navigate to the MySQL Databases section. Here, you can create new databases and users and assign those users to your databases. Don't forget to save your database names and passwords. They will be crucial for connecting your site to the databases. With everything uploaded, it's time to point your domain to HostGator's name servers. This tells the internet where to find your site. You can find HostGator's name servers in the welcome email they sent you. Log into your domain registrar and update the name server settings accordingly. It may take a few hours for these changes to take effect, so be patient. Finally, the moment of truth arrives as you test your website. Open a browser and type in your domain. If everything was done correctly, your website should appear. Test pages and links to ensure everything is functioning as expected.